Practice set 3.3 question number 1 already sent to you. It is question number 2. Find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. The even natural numbers are, all of us know natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and all. Even natural are 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and all. How many such even natural number we want? 123. Here A is 2, D is 4 minus 2, that is also 2, and N is 123. This is first, second, third, fourth, like that 123 number term we want. 123 number term will come 246, but they have not mentioned it, so we have also not mentioned it. But we want only and only up to 123 terms, first 123 term. And we are not to find nth term Tn, we have to find sum of first 123 terms, S123. To find S123, sum of first 123, these terms which are even natural numbers, to find S123. Now Sn formula, n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S123 is 123 upon 2 bracket 2 into 2 plus 123 minus 1, n is 123 into 2. S123 is 123 upon 2 bracket 4 plus 122 into 2. Bracket part first, then product, then addition. Therefore, S123 is 123 upon 2 bracket 4 plus 244, 122 double. 123 upon 2, don't cancel 2 with 4, 4 is a term, first add inside the bracket and then write properly 123 upon 2 multiply by 248, then 248 numerator multiple can be cancelled with denominator 1, 2, 4, 123 into 124. Now 123 into 124 we have to do actual product. It is not easy, so I am doing it here in a rough 3 digit multiply by 3 digit. 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9, 4 1s are 4. Then start with tens place, right here 0 or plus side. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Again write 2 0 or 2 plus sign and then multiply by 1, 3, 2, 1 and add 2, 9 and 6, 15, carry 1, 1 and 4, 5 and 4, 9 and 3, 12, carry 1, 1 and 2, 3 and 2, 5, 1 5 2 5 2, 15,252. Therefore, sum of first 123, this is the main answer. That only we have to write in word. First 123 even natural numbers are. Even natural numbers is, the total is, sum is, addition is 15252, 15,252. Means if you go on doing it 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 8, 20 plus 10, like that up to 246, 123 term, total will be that much. Find the sum of all even numbers, again even numbers, from 1 to 350. From 2 is given, means 1 and 350 included if possible. Even numbers from 1 to 350 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 350. Up to 350 it is told. Between, if it is told, then 350 should not be taken. Now, here Tn number term is there, but what is n we don't know. First to find n, and then we have to find Sn. What is given? It is an AP. When after writing we come to know that it is an AP. A is 2, D is 4 minus 2 equal to 2, and last term Tn is 350. We have to find Sn, but to find Sn first we have to find n. First find n, how many terms are there, and then Sn, sum of those n terms, whatever is n. Then to find n, use Tn formula. In the last exercise we have done how to find n, how many terms, etc. Same way we have to find it. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. 350 is 2 plus n we have to find as it is. D is also 2. 350 is 2 plus 2n minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 cancel. 2n is 350. 2n is equal to 350. Therefore, n is equal to 350 upon 2. N is equal to 175. Now we have to find, after getting 175 terms are there, it is not final answer, it is not asked. We have to find Sn 175. Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, S175 is equal to 175 upon 2 bracket 2 into 2 plus 175 minus 1 into 2. S175 is 175 upon 2 into bracket 4 plus 174 into 2. 175 upon 2 into bracket 4 plus 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, and that 1 from 14 is 3. Therefore, S175 is equal to 175 upon 2 into 352. Cancel 2 and 352. 2 1s are 2, 1 remain, 2 7s are 14, 1 remain, 2 6s are. So what is S175? 175 multiplied by 176. S175 is equal to 175 multiplied by 176. Do the product of 175 and 176 and write the answer. 30,800. I hope all of you calculated it. Therefore, sum of all even numbers, that we have to write in word, sum of all even numbers from 1 to 350 is 30,800. Neatly observe what is done. First, from this given sequence, we have to find nth term is 350. So what is n? After getting how many terms are there, then to use Sn. This will be for 3 or 4 marks. To find n, 1.5 marks. To find Sn, 1.5 mark. Question number 4. In an AP, 19th term is given. T19. 38 term is given. And 56 term is not asked. Sum of 56 terms is asked. Then you might be thinking that it is similar sum. Before this we have calculated 2 terms were given, then we have to find A and D, etc. But if we try to do that, it will be very, very lengthy and difficult, because you will not get A and D in integers properly. Then what to do? Whenever T19, T38 is given, 19 and 38 is 57. 19 and 38 is 57, and it is just 1 less than 57. Yes, 56. When 2 terms are given, suppose Tx and Ty is given, and sum of x plus y minus 1 is asked. X plus y minus 1. Total of this 19 and 38, 57 minus 1, 56. Then there is one shortcut to use it, and that only we have to use. But remember, whenever Tx, Ty are given and x plus y minus 1 is asked, then only we can use it. If when Tn, Tx is given and x plus y minus 1 is asked, then only we have to use this method, whatever we are going to solve now. I hope all of you understood what I said. 19 and 38, 57 minus 1 is 56. Then only we can use it. How to use? In the AP, T19 is 52, T38 is 128. Use the formulas. T19 equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, 52 is equal to A plus 19 minus 1 into D. Therefore, A plus 19 minus 1 is 18D is a 52. A plus 18D is 52. 52 is A plus 18D. Equation 1. And T38 is 128, means T38 formula we have to use. T38 is equal to A plus 38 minus 1 into D. Therefore, A plus 38 minus 1 means 37D equal to T38 value, as we have substituted T19 value 52, similarly T38 value 128, equation number 2. Now we have to add these two and see what happens. Adding 1 and 2. This method we have to use only when Tx, Ty is given and x plus y minus 1 is asked. A plus 18D equal to 52. A plus 37D equal to 128. Add, it will be 2A plus 55D, 8 plus 7, 15, carry 1, equal to 2 and 8, 10, carry 1, 6 and 2, 8, 180. 2A plus 55D equal to 180. Equation number next. Now we have to use SN formula, and for S56, SN formula is n by 2 bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D. S56 is 56 upon 2 bracket 2A plus, A is not known, D is not known, so we have to substitute only n value, 56 minus 1 into D. Therefore, S56 is equal to 56 upon 2 is 28 into bracket 2A plus 55D. 55D. S56 is equal to 28 bracket 2A plus 55D. What is this 2A plus 55D? Already obtained by adding that TX TY addition. So S56 is 28 into 180 risen from 3, from equation number 3. That value is obtained, and do the product. S56 is equal to 0 as it is. 18 8s are 144, 18 2s are 36 and 14. From 144, 5040. S56 is 5040. Sum of first 56 terms is 5040. Sum of first 56 terms is 5040. Question number 6. Fifth will is of activity based question that will be explained later on. In that some correction also we have to do. It is whether to write from 1 to 140 or between 1 and 140, because they have solved taking last term 136 in the fifth sum, and from 1 to 140 means it should be 140 last term. So proper correction, everything will be explained later on. Now we are starting this sixth sum. Sum of first 55 terms in an AP is 3300. Find its a 28 term. Once again interesting, no A, no D, nothing, only S55 is given, sum of 55 term, and T28 is asked. In 55, if I add 1 and divide by 2, 28 we will get, means 28 double, 56 minus 1 is 55. When such a relation is there, then we have to neatly use the formula and then divide, etc. You will automatically get the answer. Shortcut, and therefore there is one asterisk marks, star mark is shown that it is different type of question. Easy but different type of question, not usual question. In the AP, what is given? S55 3300. And what to find? T28. 28 number term. Over. Only this much is given in the question. So as Sn is given, S55 is given, first write Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Write n as 55. S55 is 55 upon 2 bracket 2a plus 55 minus 1 into D. S55 value is given, so substitute that. 3300 is 55 upon 2 bracket 2a plus 54D. We want T28, means A plus 27D, 28 minus 1. Here you have to take 2 common. Then whatever is remaining is a plus 27d, and directly we will get the answer. And therefore 3300 equal to 55 upon 2 into 2 common from 2a plus 54d, both even term. What will remain? A plus 54 divided by 2, 27d, 2 cancelled. 3300 is equal to 55 into a plus 27d. Therefore 3300 upon 55 equal to a plus 27d. Cancel. 5 1 5 6 30, 3 remain, 5 6 30 and 0 as it is up. 660 upon 11, again divide by 11, 11 6 66 and 0. A plus 27d is 60. Equation number 1. What we want? T28. T28 equal to, or first write Tn formula and then write T28. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore T28 is equal to a plus 28 minus 1 into d. Therefore T28 is equal to a plus 27d, and a plus 27d is nothing but 60. Therefore T28 equal to 60. Reason from 1. T28 is equal to 60. T28 is equal to 60. Now we have to write this in words. What? Therefore 28th term is 60. Already we wrote it in symbolic way, but it is better to write in words. Neatly observe and write. Once again observe, whenever S55 given, T28 is asked, nothing else is given, means 55 plus 1, 56 upon 2 is 28. Once sum of the n term is given and something Tn, Tm is asked, then first find Sn. Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S55 is 55 by 2 into 2a plus 55 minus 1 into d. Then you will get 2a plus 54d in a bracket. Take 2 common, cancel it and find whatever you get, a plus 27d. A plus 27d is only T28, means T28 is 60. But we cannot write directly in board exam, because in board exam marks are for formulas. Tn formula must come in the answer. Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. T28 is a plus 28 minus 1 into d. Therefore T28 is a plus 27d, and already we obtained a plus 27d is 60. Therefore T28 is 60. T28 means only 28 term is 60. One of the important question. It is given that sum of 3 consecutive terms of AP is 27 and product of those 3 consecutive terms, their product means sum of those 3 consecutive terms is 504. Find the terms. Whenever there are in AP 3 terms are given, we have to use it as a minus d, a plus d. Remember here a does not means first term. Here a minus d, a plus d means one term is before a, after a with the difference of common difference d. If there are 4 terms, then we have to assume a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. If there are 5 terms, then we have to assume a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. Means a should come middle or second. Means if there are 3 terms, a should be in the middle. Before that a minus d, nantar a plus d. If there are 4 terms, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 2d. If there are 5 terms, a should be middle, a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. This is the method. About that we'll write the note after this exercise. Presently there are 3 terms. So I am assuming it as, hint is also given in the textbook. Let the 3 consecutive terms of AP be 3 consecutive terms. Consecutive means which come one after another. Ek ka maga ek kenare. 3 consecutive terms of AP B. Which are those terms? A minus D, middle is A, next is A plus D. A is not first term. A minus D, A plus D are 3 consecutive terms. Maybe it's 5th, 6th, 7th, maybe 10th, 11th, 12th. 3 consecutive terms. Our aim is to find only this value. By first condition, by given condition, there are 2 conditions. One is given addition, second is given product. Addition, sum of 3 is given 27. A minus D plus A plus D is 27. Add minus D plus D, cancel. A plus A, 3a is 27, a is 27 upon 3, a is 9. After getting a 9, we have to find D. For that we have to use second condition by another condition. By second condition. What second condition says? Product. A minus D, A plus D is 504. Do the product. But before that, substitute A value. What is A value we got? 9. Therefore, 9 minus D into 9 plus D is 504. Therefore, 9 minus D into 9 plus D equal to, this 9 we have to shift multiple out of 3 bracket 1 bracket, 504 upon 9, 9 5s are 45, 5 remain, 9 6s are 54. Therefore, 9 minus D, 9 plus D is 56. 9 minus D, 9 plus D, 9 square minus D square. 9 square minus D square equal to 56. 81 minus D square is equal to 56. Minus D square is 56 minus 81. Subtract smaller number 56 from 81 and give the sign of bigger number. 11 minus 6, 5. This becomes 7 minus 5, 2. Therefore, changing sign, D square is 25. D is equal to plus or minus 5. D is equal to plus 5 or minus 5. Now we have to write with plus 5 also, minus 5 also. What are the 3 consecutive terms? I will explain that. First write this much. Now therefore D is 5 or D is minus 5. Now using A9 and D5 we have to find 3 values. When A is 9, D is 5, A minus D is 9 minus 5 is 4, A is 9, A plus D is 9 plus 5 is 14. The terms are 4, 9, 14. Next part, when you have to write below this, after this, I am writing here so that all of you can neatly observe. When A is 9 and D is minus 5, when A is 9 and D is minus 5, A minus D is 9 minus 5, 9 plus 5, 14. A is 9, A plus D is 9 plus minus 5, that is 9 minus 5, that is 4. If you neatly observe, you will get same answer. Therefore, the terms are 14, 9, 4. First we got 4, 9, 14. Now we got 14, 9, 4. And that is the final answer. Therefore, the terms are, we can write both the answer. 4, 9, 14 or 14, 9, 4. Either ascending or descending. But numbers are the same. These are the three terms which are asked. Find the terms.